Amazon Prime just brought me my new flat iron. Never heard of this brand before. I ordered it last night, but had good reviews. I really wanted HSI, which I never heard of either, but that had really good reviews. And they weren't that expensive. So have you guys, I haven't seen it yet, I'm unboxing, but have any of you used this flat iron before? Let me take it out. Like, I know it's supposed to have like an LCD screen, so it's one of those, apparently. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be a titanium one. I don't know. I'll have to use it. But I'm definitely interested in hearing from people who have this, who are not on Amazon reviews. Okay, so when I first plug it in, the digital readout automatically goes to off. So to power it on, I'm going to press and hold the power button. Now, okay, so this readout that says damaged, basically what it's doing is telling you which setting for your hair type, technically. So, like when it was on 280, like I'm going to take it down. See how it goes to fragile? So if you have fragile hair, they're saying that's a temperature that's good for fragile hair. And if you go higher, it'll say healthy once you get to the 4s, meaning don't use this setting unless your hair is in healthy condition. So also wanted to show you guys the side. This is your lock switch to keep the flat iron closed down when you're not using it. I've been wearing braids. I took my braids out and then I had it professionally straightened. I don't like my old flat iron because it snags my hair, so I wanted to get something different just for maintenance. I plan to keep going to the salon whenever I need my hair flat iron, but you know, anything can happen. Your hair can get wet, whatever, or you just need to maintain a style. So I wanted to get a decent flat iron to have in those cases. So this is just my like unboxing of this or whatever, and I wanted to hear from people who may have it in the comments. But once I actually use it, I will also do a user review. Again, thank you guys for subscribing. As always, thank you for your comments. Until next time, you guys stay fab. Peace.